Hi, I'm Sabrina, Head of College Services at Murdoch College. Welcome to your new journey in Perth. In this video, we will go through what you need to do before you arrive at Murdoch College.
We'll talk about orientation day and our student support services.
And we'll show you around our beautiful campus. Studying abroad is an exciting step, and we look forward to meeting you soon.
Before your flight, double check with your pre-departure list that you have packed all the essential items such as your passport, your student grant letter, and your confirmation of enrolment. So make sure that you pack a universal adapter. In Australia, we use the 240 volt flat-shaped or flat V-shaped plugs, and make sure that you don't overpack. You can easily buy things once you arrive.
Australia has strict biosecurity rules, so don't pack any food, animal products, traditional medicines, or anything made of straw or untreated wood. If you are unsure about an item, it is best to declare it when you arrive.
When you land in Perth, stop by Study Perth Welcome Desk at Terminal 1, where you can get a SIM card, map of Perth, and tips for getting to your accommodation.
Life in Perth is relaxing and people are friendly. Shops close early, around 5 or 6 p.m, except on Thursdays, which are the late night shopping days. On campus, you will see wildlife like quenders and parrots, and beautiful beaches are just a short drive away.
Before you come to campus, make sure you've activated your student accounts. You should have received an email from our IT team with instructions about logging into CapLink Student Management System and Moodle. These are our online learning platforms. You will need access to both before starting classes.
Orientation Day is your official welcome to Murdoch College. Please arrive by 8:30 a.m. and bring your confirmation of enrollment for registration. We call it COE. You will meet your teachers, classmates, and our college services team. You will get a chance to have a look at the campus and finalize your enrollment with us. Our college services team is always here for you, from enrollment, timetabling, and transition to study advice and well-being support. You can find our team in the college office, Building 121, or email us anytime at studentsuccess@murdochcollege.edu.au. So that's a quick look at what's waiting for you at Murdoch College. We can't wait to meet you. Have a safe trip and welcome to your Murdoch journey.